With just 3 ingredients plus essential oils, you can make your own perfume, body spray, or spritz. Keep watching and I'll show you how. Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations. Hello friends, our DIY today is perfume spritzes. So what all do we need to make our perfume spritz? Now I'm going to go ahead and double the recipe because I want to make 2 separate scents of perfume spritzes. And each batch makes 8 ounces. So I'll go ahead and double it. If you only want to make 1 batch, just cut it in half. The base is the same for both of them. So the first thing that we're going to need, and remember this is a double batch, so 2 tablespoons of glycerin, 2 tablespoons of witch hazel, 12 ounces of distilled water, and then 28 to 35 drops of essential oil. And I'll go ahead, when I make them, tell you which ones I am using. You need to have 3 tones in your perfume, and the reason why you want to do that is because your first tones, such as your florals, will evaporate quickly, such as your jasmine. And then the next level will come through, and then when it evaporates, then you'll be with your base tone, such as cedarwood. I'm still researching all of that. I'm not sure which ones are which tone, so I'm just using the recipes that I found. So let's get started, shall we? All right, change of plans. Instead of putting it in a big bowl, I just went ahead and got 2 different measuring cups. Less dishes that way. So I have 6 ounces in each measuring cup. So these each will be a separate batch. So we'll go ahead and put 1 tablespoon of witch hazel in each cup. And we'll go ahead and put 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin in each cup. And then go ahead and give it a stir. Now, most perfumes have alcohol in it, and that is to help it to last a little bit longer. But these are just spritzes. You can spritz them all day long if you'd like. So the first one that we're going to be doing is Bohemian Wildflower. We're going to be taking 8 drops of patchouli, 8 drops of bergamot, 6 drops of jasmine, and 8 drops of myrrh. Right, and then go ahead and stir it up. Now it calls for an 8-ounce spray bottle glass jar. You want to use glass or amber anytime that you have essential oils. I don't have any, so we'll just be using what I've got. I've got some 4-ounce plastic spray bottles. And to me, I think it would be better to have the 2 ounces so you can just stick it in your purse. I don't have any 2 ounces because during the pandemic, everybody was making hand sanitizer and those sold out. So I got the 4 ounces instead. So this should make 2 of these. And you want to go ahead and use a funnel. Do 2 of them. Oh, there we go. That one's full. We'll go ahead and finish filling this one up. Go ahead and put your little Spritz lid on, the cap, and give it a shake. And we'll go ahead and make the other one, and then we'll give them a try. So the next batch of perfume spritz is going to be Midnight Spice. So we're going to take 10 drops of cedarwood, 9 drops of vetiver. I'm not exactly sure if that's how you pronounce it or not. This stuff is really, really thick. Now the witch hazel and the glycerin helps the oils mix with the water. But you'll still have to shake it every time before you use it. It's a good thing they don't ask for any more drops than that. Couldn't imagine doing 25 drops with this stuff. All right, 6 drops of patchouli. I remember back in the 70s, patchouli was a big thing to wear. All right, 6 drops of patchouli. And the last one is black pepper. And who would have thought black pepper would go into a perfume? I'm assuming that's the spice that they're talking about. 3 drops of black pepper. And we'll go ahead and give that a stir. And again, we're using 2 4-ounce spray bottles. Plastic, even though the recommendation is either an amber or a cobalt blue. That helps keep out the UV rays that breaks down the essential oils. So I suggest if you don't have an amber bottle that you keep it out of the sunlight. And I got a different funnel so I wouldn't mix the scents, but it don't fit in there very well. All right, so I won't keep making a mess. I went ahead and sterilized my other funnel. I may be a little bit short of the 8 ounces because I spilled, but we'll do what we can do. And you put the lid and the cap on. And these are already sterilized. They came that way, individually wrapped. I didn't do too bad. I didn't lose too much. That's always a plus. Put the spritzer and the cap on. All right, so we have, with this batch, made 2 4-ounce body spritzers or body sprays. Give them a shake. Mix all the ingredients up. Now you can do, as they suggest, 1 8-ounce spray bottle. You can do 2 4 ounces, 4 2 ounces, whatever you would like. Also, if you want different scents, go ahead and look into it. Make sure that you have the 3 tones so it will last longer. And have fun with this. So in this video, I made 2 different scents, Midnight Spice and Bohemian Wildflower. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and show you that I'm going to try it and see if it smells good. Give it a shake before you use it. You want to spritz it anywhere that you would like to smell, have a lightly nice smell. Your wrists, your neck, your chest. This is the Midnight Spice. And it is very light because, like I said, it doesn't have the alcohol in it. But it is a very nice light scent. And next we're going to go ahead and try the Bohemian Wildflower. Give it a shake. And a spritz. That has a light smell as well, but it does have a good one. If you want more smell to it, you can always add more drops of each of the essential oils. If you like this video and like to see more like it, please subscribe and hit the bell so you can get notices of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.